In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Netlify website. First of all, you need to go to your Netlify account. Then on the left hand side menu, you need to find domains, click on this, and then select add or register a domain. Then choose add a domain you already own. And right here, you need to write your domain. Then click verify. And as you can see, this domain is already registered and is ready to be added to your site. So you need to verify it. You need to click on add domain right here. Then click continue. And you need to update your name servers on GoDaddy. So you need to go to your GoDaddy profile, click on your profile name in the top right corner, go to your products page. Then you need to click on domains on the left hand side menu. And you need to find your domain name you are adding to Netlify. So in this case, it's this one. We need to click on Manage DNS. Then we need to go to the name servers and we need to update our name servers. So we need to copy all of these name servers. Let's copy the first one. You can click this copy icon right here. Then click Change Name Servers right here. And you need to select I will use my own name servers, and you need to start adding the name servers. You need to add the first one, then the second one. Then you need to click this plus icon right here and click again because we have got 4 name servers. Let's put the third one and let's put the last one. Then click the save button and click continue. After that, go back to the Netlify and click done. And as you can see, we have changed our name servers. Now we need to wait around 24 to 48 hours and our name servers will be fully updated on GoDaddy. So this process will take maximum 48 hours. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.